Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a soft glam look with a bold lip. So yeah, I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone by doing this lip, but I really like it. I don't feel like it's too much. I feel like it's, you know, very cute, very bold, but I really like it. I'm definitely not one to do a bold lip, so this was a lot for me to do this look, but I definitely love it. I never would have thought I looked this good with a bold lip, but yeah. Also, y'all will see in this video I tried a few new techniques when it comes to my makeup. It makes a huge difference to me, just looking at my makeup today as compared to 2 weeks ago. Y'all might notice the little bitty changes. I definitely noted them in the video, but yeah, I really love this look. So yeah, I'll be showing y'all how to rock a bold lip. So yeah, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell, follow me on all social media. Those will be in the description box. And when y'all finish this video, watch another one and another one. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Hey y'all, so we're gonna be starting off with the fresh face, and a new thing I like to do lately is brush my eyebrows in an upward motion and then just go across the top and straighten them out. And of course we're going to be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and Granite. And lately I've been just outlining my brows and then just lightly filling them in rather than going super hard on the pomade. So yeah, it gives you a more natural looking brow. Another new thing I've been doing is just going really light on the concealer. So as you can see, I'm not outlining it with as much concealer as I normally would. Also, I'm blending out my eyebrows one eyebrow at a time. So I tend to blend them out now when my concealer has a more wet consistency rather than when it dries down. And of course, as always, we're going to prime our eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So the eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today is the AT&T Truth or Dare Artistry palette by Morphe. I love Morphe's eyeshadow palettes. You really can't go wrong with any of their eyeshadow palettes. So the first shade we're going to tap into is this dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm kind of using that as a transition shade, but also not really working it too much into my crease, more above my eye crease than into it. Now, as you can see, I'm working that dark brown eyeshadow into my outer corners as well, just to kind of deepen the eye look a little bit. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna take this burnt orange shade and just kind of put that into my transition to kind of brighten this eye look just a little bit. Now we're going to tap into this flesh tone shade, and we're going to use that for our lid color. And as you can see, I'm using a really small brush, and that's because I don't want it to be super defined like a cut crease, but I do want the shadow to be in one particular area. Another new thing I'm trying is doing everything to my eyes before my face. So typically I'd put my eyeshadow on and then move on to the face. So now I'm trying to do everything to my eyes. So now I'm gonna apply liner into my waterline, my mascara, and my eyelashes. Moving on to skin, nothing much has really changed here. I'm going to be priming with my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. Same foundation as always, my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte foundation in 450. This is just kind of what I've been rocking with for a while. I want to try some new foundation. I really want to try the NARS foundation and the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. But until I can get my hands on those, we're just going to stick to what we know. We're gonna go ahead and conceal with our Tarte Shape Tape. Of course, under the eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. So another new thing I've been doing is after I blend everything with a damp beauty sponge, I like to go in with a small blending brush and just kind of blend out the edges so that everything comes together real seamless. Now we're just gonna set everything with our Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in 35. Now we're just going to contour using our Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. And something else I've been trying is when I apply my contour, I use it in circular motions, and I feel like that just gives you a more natural looking contour rather than something that's very harsh. So I really like it, and I feel like that's probably what I'm just going to stick to now. Now we're just going to define our contour with our setting powder. Now we're just going to contour the nose a little bit so that it has that snatched effect. Now going in with my big fluffy brush, I'm just going to get all that excess powder off of my skin before we set everything. So now we're just going to set with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And y'all probably are noticing that I didn't use any setting powder after I brushed all the excess powder away. And lately I just been feeling like it hasn't been necessary, so I just haven't been doing it. Now we are going to line our lips with a dark brown lip liner. This one is from Ruby Kisses, and I like to do this just because it actually helps it give that really nice ombre lip effect. So I like to do this before I actually put on the lipstick. The first lip color that we're using is the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX, and this one is in the color Monte Carlo, and this is just going to set us up to create that ombre. Now the lighter red color that we are using is also a Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX, and this one is in the color Amsterdam. And I just kind of pat this one on in the middle so that it doesn't come off really harsh. Alrighty guys, that is all for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I don't know, I'm really in love with this look. I do not do bold lips at all, so to actually see it like with the makeup done and with my hair done and everything, this is really a look like I would have never thought that I'd look this good with a colored lip. But yeah, it looks really good to me. So thank you to everybody who suggested seeing a video about a bold red lip. Yeah, thank you to everybody who suggested this. I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone by doing this, but it's actually something that I love. I could see myself wearing this, you know, eventually with the look that is appropriate. So yes y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and the notification bell so that y'all can be notified every time I post. And thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.